Hi friends, welcome to my channel LotusGeek. In this tutorial I will teach you how you can fix an error audio service not running in Windows 10. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The very first thing that you need to perform is to restart your Windows audio service. For that, simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command and type here Services.msc and hit the enter button. Once the Services.msc is open, you need to locate two files. The first one is Windows Audio. It will be in the alphabetical view. This one is the Windows Audio. Double click on it to open it. And here make sure here the startup type must be automatic. If it is by default manual, disabled or delayed start, make sure you make it automatic and apply and hit the OK button. Second service that you need to locate is Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Again open it and make sure in startup type it is also by default automatic, and if it is not, make sure you make it automatic, hit the apply and OK button. After that, check your services is OK or not. If not, we are going to proceed with second step. In second step, simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command and type here devmgmt.msc. Once the device manager is open, you need to locate sound, windows and game controller. Expand it, choose your audio driver, right click on it and click on update driver to make sure you have the updated driver in your Windows PC. Most of the PC doesn't have the updated driver, which makes this problem. So make sure you update it using this function and make sure you are connected to the internet while performing this action. When you click on the update driver button, click on search automatically to automatically search the driver for your particular hardware over the internet, and after that restart your computer and check whether the problem is resolved or not. If still the problem persists, we are going to proceed with third step. In third step, open your settings menu. In settings menu, choose update and security. And in left pane, choose troubleshoot. In troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters. And in additional troubleshooters under the hood, get up and running, you will find an option playing audio. Choose it and click on run the troubleshooter to verify is there any hardware or software change available in your computer. It will resolve this issue if there is any change in your computer. This one is the third step. If still the problem persists, we are going to proceed with step number 4. In step number 4, click on the start menu and type here CMD. Run CMD as an administrator mode. Once the CMD is open, you need to type here 4 commands one by one. I'll provide you whatever command I use over here in the description below so that you can easily copy and paste over here. I have 4 commands. This one is the first command. Go ahead, copy this command and paste in your CMD and hit the enter button. Now this one is my second command. Again copy and paste. Sorry, the copy is not successful. Copy and paste and again hit the enter button. Thirdly, and lastly the fourth one. All these 4 commands I'll provide you in the description below so that you can easily copy it and paste it in your command prompt. That's it you have to do. After that, restart your PC and check whether the problem is resolved or not. If still the problem persists, we are going to the last step, which is fifth step. In order to fix this issue, we are going to modify your registry. So for that, simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command and type here regedit and hit the enter button. Once the registry editor is open, you need to locate a file over here. I'll provide the path in the description below so that you can directly copy it from description. Simply copy this path and paste over here in this area and hit the enter button. Now you have come up with this right pane. In right pane, you will find an option services.dll. In services.dll, make sure under the data, the value is %system root system32 audio endpoint builder.dll. Make sure the data must be look like this. If the data is not look like this, you need to copy this data by opening it, and here you need to paste this data over here. I'll provide you this data also in the description below so that you can directly copy and paste in this area and hit the OK button. After that, kindly restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved or not. Till now, the problem must be resolved because I told you all the possible ways of fixing the issue. If still the problem is not resolved, the possibility is that the problem is with your hardware. That's it about it, friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and share my video, share my channel with your friends also, so that they will also able to get the benefit of my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.